back in. We're back with Lola, and today we're gonna torture my kitten. Hey. He's gonna kick her. He's gonna kill us for this later.
Yep.
Let's just hope he doesn't pee on my head. Oh, my mom used to have a cat named Precious, and every time she picks her cat up, starts petting her, and starts saying Precious in like a very creepy, scary voice. Guess what? While she waits till my mom's asleep, and then she would go over and pee on her pillow while she's sleeping. That's why I said back paw. Got the back paw already. Ow. Quick, make sure it's tight, but not tight enough to strangle his foot. Ow. 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 He's actually biting. You done?
Yeah.
Alright, pick up the bees. Wait. Yeah, you'll pick them up and put them up. Alright. And then he does that. Pick them up. Pick them up, put them back down.
Ah!
No, it came off. It's coming off.
No, it's not.
Oh. That's so funny. Wait, put him down there. Put him down there. Lily, pick him up and put him
You
down.
need to make more of them so you'd be like, yeah.
Amen, sis. Amen. Alright, pick Flowers up and put him down there. Right down there.
We are the kitty torturers.
I can get a better view from here. Oh, she's got picked. Alright. He does not like that. Oh my god. We tried doing it to Boots, but he wouldn't take it. Oh, and he disappeared from Cam.
He can fly.
Oh god. He does not like that.
Look, your foot's playing with you.
Alright, let's just take it off.
Okay.
Just take it off him. Is that better, buddy?
We're sorry.
Anyways, guys, if you want...
He must fly.
Anyways, guys, if you want to see some more videos of cats, or dogs, or gaming, or if you want to hear one of us sing, let us know in the comments.
Just to tell you the truth, I'm a better singer.
Excuse me?
Yeah. I'll even sing the verse of one song right now. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been.
Where do you go for face?
The way that things have been.
No, guys, she's not, no. Anyways, bye, bye. Love you.